she did not release tour dates because honestly, my pockets was hurting from the last one. Let's get it cracking. Let's get to the point. We're here for Beyonce. And thank God she did not release tour dates because honestly, my pockets was hurting from the last one. Anyway, I'm doing an unboxing of the vinyl Cowboy Carter and the box set with the CD of Cowboy Carter. I still have the Renaissance box because I can't throw away boxes. And I've videoed that up also. I still have the shirt, of course, but I learned from this shirt, this is a small. I don't like baby tee kind of fits, so I would suggest getting a large. They're very unisex. So we're gonna unbox the Cowboy Carter. I end up getting the red vinyl, and then I end up getting the Cowboy Carter red and white shirt. First I wasn't gonna get anything, but then I was like, kept on like, oh, that looks good. Especially like the red line, like a t-shirt line. And look, it comes in the same box. Cowboy Carter. That is so cool. And also, look at my shirt. Went to the Renaissance tour. So you know I was about that life. I was ready. Sadly, I was ready. I was like, I already know I want floor seats. 2 times. Because then if she does another tour with Act 3, then Jesus, it's giving retirement. Sadly. I hope not. But I think she would actually tell us. This is it. Act 2. Let's see how the box looks inside. Okay. I was a little disappointed. You know, we went from this to this. So, ouch. I ended up getting a large. And I'm glad I did. Because even the large itself, it's good. It's not too big. But this is so cute. It's like a more vintage style t-shirt. I like it. And then got Cowboy Carter in the back. I think it's a cute basic white tee. I won't wear it to work. I don't think I can wear it to work. Even though we have posters up like this vintage old movie style. And I got the Cowboy Carter CD. Got the same background. So I thought the box would have like something decorative in it, but ouch. Yikes and yikes. The vinyl. See a little peep. And this is it. Cowboy Carter. And I got the red one, so it goes in the back. By the Sean, I haven't opened some of these yet, but I love unboxing Beyonce vinyl. So nice. I also want to make sure, don't want to always encase your vinyl for so long because you don't know if it's broken, cracked, or anything like that. So I'm gonna keep this little thing for later and chances reattach it. I've seen people do that. This is the back. I got the red one. This is how it looks. It has a QR code, exclusively produced. I don't know if it's like a special QR code for myself, but I don't assume it is. This is a QR code. And let's see, does it have a booklet? I'm not sure if it has a booklet. It doesn't have a booklet. But the vinyl itself has this sleeve, and then it has a gun on the side, and it has a gun microphone on the side, and then it has a saddle on this side. So you see the little saddle. I don't know if I'm holding this correctly, but we will figure it out. But this is how red it looks. Don't judge me. I'm not an avid, like, I know. But this is a nice translucent red. It's not like a cherry red. It's like a Jolly Rancher red. Yeah. But it's pretty. It is pretty. simple, quick video. Such a procrastinator, but yep. Act 2. I'm ready for Act 3. I think it's gonna be a rock album. I haven't heard someone say gospel. No, it's gonna be rock. She's been playing with it and it's been working well. From Don't Hurt Yourself to past songs. Nah, it's gonna be a rock album. But anyway, toodaloo. Did I even introduce myself? No. Anyway, my name is Ariel, and anyway, my name is Ariel. Typical ending. This is my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, comment, everything. Let me know if you're going to the Renaissance tour. I do videos based on pretty much typical girl in New York. I'm 30 years old. Anyway, there's definitely more Beyonce content coming. I still need to post from like my last tour, but I'm gonna do like a recap of reflect of what I want for New York City in 2024 when it comes to the summertime. And it may include a Beyonce concert. I feel it in my bones. Something. These acts are coming out very consistently. We usually expect a 5-year gap, but come along with me in that journey so we can go together and spend a whopping amount of money that this woman does not need. But we're gonna give it to her. Peace.